ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gertrude and this channel is the G Sisters. You can consider subscribing, like and share for more content to help you and myself. Share it to everybody who needs them so that they can also be helped. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into today's video. In today's video, I want to talk about how to balance your studies with your YouTube career. Okay, I'm talking to people who are into YouTube, who wants to do content, right? So if you're a YouTuber, you're creating content, I want to share some tips with you, tips that will help you to balance your YouTube career with your studies so that one does not lag. Okay, so if you want to be consistent on YouTube and also have classworks that you need to focus on, then I'll share my own part of the experience with you. I'm a student right now in the university and I'm also a YouTuber. So how I balance both of them is like this. I'll sit at a go, make the videos I'll be posting throughout the week, like 5 of them. Okay, so if you've been noticing, most of my videos I'm wearing the same clothes. That means I made those videos in the same day. Then I'll keep one day, edit all of them, then I'll be posting throughout the week. That is what I do. Okay, so if you are a YouTuber and you don't know how to balance both of them, that is how we do it. You look at your timetable. Okay, just look at your timetable and then notice the free periods within it. I'm also a religious person, okay, by the way. So in my timetable, my class timetable, I have it here, and then I'll prepare my own timetable. So for personal studies, I'll create my own personal timetable. Then on the timetable, I'll make room for studies, religious work like praying, meditating, reading my Bible. Then I'll make room for YouTube and its stuffs. So that period is when I create content, edit. Posting them is not very difficult. Any moment, anytime you can post your videos. Okay, so I make sure I'm posting one video every day. That is how I do it. So in a week, like 5 of them, I'll make 5 videos, then I'll be posting throughout the week. So that is how I do it. I'll be posting them throughout the week. So if I edit them, even in the night I can edit them. So any moment, anytime, any free time I get, I can edit them. Free time that are not occupied by my studies. I have time for my studies. So when I'm reading, there's nothing like editing or YouTubing or content creating. I just focus on my studies. Okay, and then after that I have time for my YouTube, right? So those are the time I'm going to use for YouTube and editing. Okay, so if you are a YouTuber and you are not able to be consistent on YouTube because of school work, I want you to be somehow discipline yourself in a way that you are going to be able to balance schoolwork and studies and even religious work, right? So that depends, or that all those depend on your timetable and you have to stick to it. When it's time for this, stop that and do this at that time. If you continue to do the previous one, when it's time for other thing, you're not going to obey your timetable. So you have to be strict with that. Self-discipline. You discipline yourself with that so that you'll be able to stop that and do this. Okay, I even have time for my movies and other things. Okay, so if there is a movie I'm watching right now for, let's say, 1 hour, and after the hour I see, okay, the time has already passed, I'm not going to be like, oh, this movie is so nice, oh my god, let me just continue watching, I'll continue that later. No. I'll just pause it and do the next thing. That is what's helping me right now. Okay, I'll pause it and do the next thing. Okay, so that is the information I want to share with you. You have to be self-disciplined. You have to discipline yourself. You have to be strict with your rules and everything so that it will help you. Thank you so much for watching. If you got something from this video, please comment it down below and give me a thumbs up, like and share. If you are watching my video but you've not subscribed, oh my god, you've watched to this end but you've not subscribed, what are you doing? Do you want me to cry? Oh my god. Please subscribe to my channel and like for me. If you've subscribed but you've not been watching my videos, oh my god, that's too bad. Okay, please help your girl. Please help me. You see, I'm struggling. Please support me by subscribing and liking. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.